Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download the HD texture packs for Battlefield 6 on your PS5. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, start by going back to your console's home screen, highlight Battlefield 6 game icon, then press options button on your controller. From the menu that appears, scroll down and choose manage game content. You'll see a list of optional downloads for Battlefield 6 including the HD texture packs. These packs improve overall visual quality, sharper vehicles, cleaner environments and better details across the board. Make sure these packs are installed on your console or device. If you didn't install them when you first downloaded the game, you can install them manually here. Just choose the pack and select the download icon. In some cases, the files can be quite large, sometimes over 20 gigabytes, so check that you have enough storage. Once the download finishes, the texture packs apply automatically when you launch the game. If you don't notice any changes right away, close the game completely and open it again. And that's all you need to do. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.